say that before getting mad at people for not understanding you, thus trying to you feeling the urge and need to fix it, prove yourself, impress that person, make them understand you, it's not worth it. This is a reminder for you that you no longer need to fight your way to get someone to understand you. Okay, you are not committed to explain yourself to people who are committed to misunderstanding you. No matter what you say, what you do, it's never going to be enough for them. It's never going to be. These people are just not meant for you. That's the message. Okay, so before you get mad and angry of you sharing something, your experience, and that person taking it in a completely different filter, in a completely different way, it's not your fault. You shared your experience as a part of your, you can say, honesty, your authenticity. Okay, now if that person takes it in some different way, twists your whole narrative, makes you feel like you are suffering or you should be, you know, feeling like you are at your lowest, you don't have to make that person feel bad, who are already, by the way, suffering in their own life, by saying things like, oh, that's so sad. You don't have to do that, because that is manipulation. Okay, that is someone trying to manipulate you, take advantage of you being vulnerable. You, soon as you realize that they are doing it, take a step back. They have showed you exactly who they are. Never look back again. Never look back. You do not have to explain anything. You do not have to say anything. That keeps your power. That keeps your power, your energy saved and with you, and not with that person, because they do not have any control or power over you to make you feel bad about you just being honest with your experiences in life. They don't have any right to do that. Okay, and if they do make you feel bad, or as like you are the villain, or you got what you deserve, no, nobody deserves bad experiences. Okay, and if someone does make you feel like that, it's heavy time you need to reflect on who you are giving your energy and access to. Cut them off, because they are draining it. They are not meant for you. So before you get mad at someone not understanding you after you explaining yourself once already, just remind yourself they are not meant for me. They are just not in alignment with me or my highest good. They are misaligned. And that's why I choose peace and clarity over their chaos and confusion. Because I am not signing up to deal with that confusion that this person is creating inside their head about me. I know where I stand in my life. I'm not going to look back now. Never going back there again. I don't need to. I've already made peace with where I am right now. I don't need more sympathy, empathy. I've already shown that to myself. I don't need it from outside extra. Me getting that from outside is just the bonus, byproduct of me already going through everything and processing that, being there for myself, being present when I need myself. I've already done that, and I'm at peace. So for me, it's like I just don't share all of my stories, especially and experiences that I have gone through, especially when I'm meeting someone new. I don't usually speak about what happened with me in the past anymore, because I keep it to myself, okay? No matter how much close you are, how much I love you, care about you, how much I trust you, I will never put my own trust and my own, you can say, privacy in the hand of other people. I'm allowed to have my own space. I'm allowed to keep my own secrets, my own privacy to myself. And you can't get anything out of me now, even if you try. Even if you sit there, talk about your sob story. Narcissistic people, they exactly do this. They tell you shitty experiences which maybe they haven't even gone through in their own life. You don't know if that person has gone through it actually or not. They're sitting there and crying and trying to sell you their sob story. Do not trust everything you hear. Always check what you see. Okay? Always judge. Always cross check. Be cautious. Be careful. Do not believe in everything you hear. Always believe in your own intuition. After interacting with that person, now when you're alone, if you feel like something is off, it's usually because it is. Trust that information because that is your intuition. It's not just you getting anxiety. Anxiety doesn't make repeat itself. Sorry, intuition doesn't repeat itself. Unlike anxiety, anxiety will keep making you, feel that fear of trusting people, fear of, letting them get intimate with you, or might be any fear of being judged, whatever. But that is constant. That will be loud in your mind and it will be on repeat. Unlike intuition, it's very quiet and it's usually once. For example, when you're randomly just doing your own, maybe painting or drawing, or you're just doing your own stuff like making your bed or doing your laundry, and suddenly that information hits you like, why did that person say it? Were they lying? Were they trying to manipulate me? Trust that. The only thing left now is trust that 100% because as time goes by, you will get the proof. Universe will exactly prove you that you did the right thing by trusting your intuition and letting go of that person and saying goodbye to them. Bye bye. You don't need them. Release them. You don't need them. Universe will prove it to you. It will reward you for listening to your intuition because that shows that you trust in the universe enough to not give yourself anything less than what you deserve. And that is not truly in alignment with your highest good. If you believe that you deserve more, you deserve better, and the universe is not on a budget, you need to trust your intuition. You need to believe that you deserve more because you give yourself more. Obviously, you have such high standards and boundaries when it comes to yourself. Why not apply the same thing when it comes to you showing up for other people in your life and how they show up for you? Are they showing up the same way you are showing up for yourself? If no, they are not for you. They are simply not for you. That is all. That's it. I just wanted to say what's on my mind, but I got this huge urge to talk about this topic. Maybe someone out there needs to hear this. So, yeah, that's all.